who yembranim and to obetimi aboye. There have been some cases. Nina no say the AG, the Attorney General, Wabwegu. Yes, you person you took it as share ni proyesu wo manimo. Na cases ahodo a ewo court. Because Akufo Addo yebi. Dr. Frimpong Boateng ekohu sa manfo bi to galam say no evidence when the report na dia wo de buy nyina. Yes, entwafo ekohu bi. Oka yes ye ehun hia we are not interested. Is it not the same thing? And I ekoswe oh Mahama abembu mu.
What Africa?
Yeah.
Meda was ya no pawe. Na masian echa wetiefo nyina especially latefo. Bibia ke one. Bi chia Kropon constituency ene Ekuapem North municipality for nyina. What Africa? Say they bia me catch will say Akufo Addo is not the best example. Here oh yeah dear now the want to Akufo Addo ho then you are failing. Or ye a skill for failure. Akufo Addo a skill for failure. It is a way idea now they will hold to Akufo Addo then you are failing. But the
reason why I was comparing him to that of President John Dramani Mahama is that Sobeka Cecilia the case by Otua letter, my dear Cecilia.
No. Otafija, these are two different issues altogether.
Okay.
And then me don't be the criminal procedure.
Okay.
We are mature what nolly prosequi is.
Okay.
What withdrawal is. And the reasons behind it.
We are ready to learn.
Okay. Here, Otafija. Me paucho Mahama ebe president no or appointed first 3 ministers obetimi abobo mo portfolio na mami.
Yeah, energy.
Yeah.
AG Dr. Ayene and our day a yika ho. Finance. Eka ho.
Otafrija here there is a problem. And then the problem is with the public. So the public needs education. The problem, they say, the office is not Attorney General. The office is Minister of Justice. Minister of what? Justice and Attorney General. So at any given time, no, you should be seen doing what? Justice.
Okay.
You should be seen doing what? Justice. Okay. Here, in criminal jurisprudence, no, you were before trial. That's what we call pre-trial. You were trial and you were sentencing. And this is how it goes. First, you'll be arrested. That's Article 14 of the Constitution. Also, you will be arrested. And even if we are arresting you, we should touch you and communicate to you in the language you understand. Okay. The reason why you are being arrested.
Okay.
And then you are entitled to your lawyer. That is the first stage of the pre-trial. Second, they will give you a charge sheet. So you'll be charged for an offense committed.
Okay.
Then, after that, no, you have a caution statement. You'll be cautioned. It will be true with statements. So what you say. Then, if police for the power, Omar granted will bail. That is the next stage.
Maybe you use a certain if.
Yes.
Which is a conditional clause.
Yes, a conditional.
If police for the power.
Yes.
But one more person,
your friend of police inquiry bail. Police inquiry bail.
Okay, so per the investigation they want to conduct.
Yes.
One bit to make that okay.
Yes.
That
is it.
And see a person
bail.
Okay.
And your friend of police inquiry bail, no?
Correct.
If the police for no Emma will bail there within 48 hours, and somebody will call court, they cannot keep you more than 48 hours.
Okay.
It is a do quarter. Your friend of arrangement before the court.
Okay.
You are arranged before the court.
Okay.
Immediately you are arranged before the court, no, then there's what we call plea. They will take your plea. And you be say, you be kind offense now. Why you need
udi for now udi be.
You be say udi for and now udi be.
And now who asem ka?
And your friend plea, no.
Plea. Okay.
Yes. Say okay say udi for. There were different procedure you use.
Okay.
And your friend family trial. Say okay say udi for and also a different procedure. So okay say udi for pe. You'll be convicted. Okay. Sentence. Okay. And your friend of summary trial, you have been convicted on your own plea.
Okay.
They are all kind of in the are convicted.
Okay.
It is sad that you'll be convicted. and sentence. It will be was hey, akwa we dey court na and then judge na sentence no. Yes. A summary trial or G to mu say wafum.
Okay.
It's a honor na court no ebe sentence. But okay say won fum ya. Yo a honor no the prosecution, which is the Attorney General's department, will be asked to open their case.
Okay.
It's a different procedure. It's so okay say would for pay a honor na you be convicted. Okay. Near sentence.
Okay.
And your friend of summary trial, you have been convicted on your own plea.
Okay.
They are what kind of in the are convicted.
Okay.
It is sad that you be convicted. Okay. And sentenced. It will be was hey, akwa we dey court na and then judge na sentence no. Yes. A summary trial or G to mu say wafum.
Okay.
It's a honor na court no ebe sentence. But okay say won fum ya. Yo a honor no the prosecution, which is the Attorney General's department, will be asked to open their case.
Okay.
It's omobe free omo witnesses aba. No more the abe can assemble no. It is the Attorney General no ende pe na eba wo a we accused person no. But the law gives you a way. Sa way no. And no ubeti be a friend no submission of no case. Obe catch the court no say. So what share enyama bebrebe ya prosecution dia bani nyina na bakokura anywhere na mo ho enti prosecution no any case against you nti yenja o ya fa no mini trial say yes a mini trial no and you are not able to prove a case ne be den you be to aso they will tell you say open your case.
Okay.
Enti who open your case ya now we are also be from witnesses bibia then the court will ask you to go and do written submission. That's what we call addresses.
Okay.
So the lawyers at both sides will come and argue. Then from there will be judgment.
Okay.
It is an entire judgment. Not trial no higher than AC.
Okay.
Then the next stage, sentencing.
Okay.
So what you are saying, you'll be what sentenced. But before sentencing, your friend will be said clemency. Clemency. They say obe patchel. Obe to the day. I patchel say oh. Me a first offender into mo fire day mo fan chemi ana me mba nyina ewu me mama ewu me na ewu me what diabetes me was say so on clemency into we can say maybe you don't call 3 years you say you don't call 1 year so what you say.
Okay,
so this is the procedure now. If you do two now on TRC wa ko appeal but me here with nolly prosecute no any withdrawal no embra no emma Attorney General ho kwan say otumi enter nolly prosecute embra no na de ama no yes wakofa afi baby o embra no na de ma no. So
assuming without admitting it say cases bia wo ho no mo bia no the person is seen as a political figure na baby na ye betumi at the case ni ho sa say nipa na ban ba so yes Attorney General na file mo can say nolly prosecute
yes
is not interested in the case anymore and ye ja case in him ebasana. Is it going to help Ghana?
There be Otafrija, you don't understand the system.
What
the system no makachi only say the minister is not just Attorney General but a Minister of Justice.
Okay.
Eti or that justice will be what will be done.
Okay.
Eti mamima we typical example.
Okay.
Here be to say ACP Agbozo. From inception they knew say they have no case against that man. But because of political witch hunting, they went after ACP Agbozo. So in this case, no, rather we are trampling upon that man's what rights. It was injustice.
Yeah.
So in that case, no, after wasting 5 years to 6 years on ACP Agbozo, what happened? The court freed him. Yengu nenimu asiye. Na busuafo animu ngu asiye.
For that
even position na occupy ewo police mu kura no at the time asem no ekọ ewie no na wa bro retirement. Eti ni years I saw di wo police mu wantimi ayeden wantimi endi.
Anti eno no ontimi ye hu brebe.
Oh, he can sue the state for damages. That's what I told you the last time. Obetime sue state, you know. So what you say? Obetimi sue states no
for damages.
Yes, for damages. That's what we call malicious prosecution. Do you get it? So how long are we going to go on with this? Again, my main will be. I'm not for auto forcing case. No one say. Auto forcing case. No, they entered submission of no case, but the judge at the high court say there is a case, so they should prove it. You know, more appeal here. Appeal. No, appeal court they say there is no case. The state do not have any case. That's why the state lost the case. They say, they are still pending in court. They won the case at court of appeal. And now, attorney general now official no. Yengu neni masiye. Nebusuafo eni mungu aseye.
For that.
Even position na occupy ewo police mu kram at the time asem no ekọ ewie no. Now we bro retirement. In years I saw the police went to be
and no on to me yahu.
Oh, he can sue the state for damages. That's what I told you the last time. Obetime sue state, you know. So what you say? Obetime sue state, no,
for damages.
Yes, for damages. That's what we call malicious prosecution. Do you get it? So how long are we going to go on with this? Again, my main will be. I'm not for auto forcing case. No one say. Auto forcing case. No, they entered submission of no case, but the judge at the high court say there is a case, so they should prove it. You know, more appeal here. Appeal. No, appeal court they say there is no case. The state do not have any case. That's why the state lost the case. Auto forcing they say they are still pending in court. They won the case at court of appeal. And now, attorney general now official no, as I call for appeal at the Supreme Court. Do you get it? So the case have already been determined. But just say, you be jana mana ye campaign, amana kasama NDC no yampene in the signing the court Supreme Court. Do you get it? So it's way say, you know, so biba na obe enter nolly prosequire. On your bonnie. Do you get it? Yeah. Minya, mami show the injustice in our justice system. Say me no wahanu no okay say. Minka obiya ya so jeni bi ewu wa shaman.
Yeah.
The Ghana state did injustice to Ghanaians. Eja soja for momoko arrested more than 300 people from Ashamai. At the Omoko camp. Omoko omunya bako krampo say okamo omuku ne ho. That is what we call injustice.
Okay.
Do you get it? That's what we call injustice. You meted out cruelty. That day, no, Ghana came to its lowest because the state cannot sponsor the military to go and do what they did in Ashamai. That's what we call injustice. That's what we don't want to happen. Mami can be inside show BM. So okay, democracy have for call demonstration in front of 37.
Yeah.
Minia, I was one of their lawyers.
Okay.
There was injustice. You arrest your munyina without communicating to them in the language they do understand the reason why they have been arrested. In the do munyina kogu. If the police station ya do mukogu krapo ya nchire. It will a lawyer near. I say Uchinga na police station yina. What kind of injustice is this? Say when the it's a bit so Ekufu do abine there. And ya abine be ya ho ya den. E compare. Minya me bisa. Was that justice?
No.
Didn't we have Minister of Justice and Attorney General in Ghana here?
We had.
Mibisa will say, at the Yeki Puamwa for more than 2 years, no. Saying. So you see, it is an example I am demonstrating to you. They have been using the justice system to punish people. Do you get it? They kept these people 2 weeks to 3 weeks in prison custody. Meanwhile, they have committed no offense. So we should not use the justice system as a cloth to cover our face and perpetuate injustice. Again, so what is almost say me vakavama woni nyama bia oye me mpe. Okay, that's why the last time I refused to talk on this issue in respect to the parliament issue. But when he say you na court, say he's committing coup d'etat. Unim, some of the charges are bono.
He's committing coup d'etat.
Coup d'etat. Treasonable offense. I almost say organizing coup no. Ewo internet so. we are political prosecution. Maybe so, and political prosecution. Obi ti say Faba was say, "Enye me wan say Attorney General back or enter knowledge prosecute and now withdrawer." Because me na me can be being so. And yes, say the case the court no mining bo ho ka or mining bo ho ka. Every document you file in court, you pay for. Omu court omu tofu ogu omu kemu. Do you get it? We should not perpetuate injustice. Again, remember another example. Say wo hwe Ghana hanu mu say ya. Enyama bebre ekoso enye. Enyama bebre ekoso so wrong because amu use court no and omo they abuse people's rights. They are using the court to abuse people's rights. When I said that make cannot hear pa. They will take you say why you born but so be kai crown pa aban MPP aban ne bass no. So we so much bobie. Yeah. Asem ne ko si eva.
Okay. Atilaya Topra mame smartiawa menko na anope menne my lawyer Alex Corte ending